Okay, so this is part B.
Yep.
So let's see if we can find a different approach. Would you mind writing B right there for me?
B.
Let's see if we can find a different approach. Here, just going to erase your calculations, but I'll leave your picture. Let's see if we can find a different approach here to figuring out how far it is from this point to that point.
Well, we know these two hypotenuses. We know they add up to.
Oh yeah, that's the prior work we did.
Yeah.
But we're gonna pretend we're gonna start from scratch here. We don't know that.
Yeah.
But instead of splitting it into two triangles, we're gonna try to find a different idea.
Well, what if you put these two triangles together into a square?
Interesting.
Like that.
What would you get?
So you would get, this is 1/2. This is actually going to be a rectangle, it looks like. And if this is 3/4, this is going to be 3 by 3/8. It's going to be a 1/2 by 3/8 rectangle.
Yeah. And that's just breaking it into two triangles
Yeah.
again, and then calculating the hypotenuse. So that's kind of what you did before. And I'm looking to try to see if there's a different idea hiding here anywhere. But that's not a bad idea at all. That's not a bad idea. I'm just trying to see if we can find a completely new way of looking at this problem. For calculating this length here. How would we find a length? What do we know? What are some ideas we know for calculating lengths like that?
Well, we know that this is 1/2, and we know this is 3/8.
Yeah.
That's what we know. And then but what if you joined these two lengths together and made this line that was 1 long?
Okay.
So with these endpoints, but then this line would stretch from this starting point to this endpoint. So
Yeah.
wouldn't that line be 1?
I think so, because it goes a half down here and a half down there.
Yeah.
So that'd be 1 high.
Yeah, but I'm talking about like this line. Would this be 1?
Oh, I don't know. Where is that line in this picture here?
Well, that line's hiding in this line. It's already in it. Because if you slide those together and there's no space between these,
Oh.
slide them together.
Yeah, sorry. I thought you were sliding this part and this part together. That's what I thought.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
So you're bringing this over here.
Yeah.
Okay. But that line doesn't move. That line still goes over there.
Well,
Imagine we had some sticks laying on the ground or something. We brought this 1/2 over here.
yeah. Oh, but what if we move that line too? What if we bring this over here?
Okay. Where do you think this line would go if you brought it over here?
Since there's no space between these, I thought the line would be 1 long because these two. Well, it doesn't look like it's going to be 1 long.
No, it doesn't look like it. Do you see anything else that might help us calculate this
What
length?
about maybe I think this is a triangle.
Ooh, interesting.
So this is 1 long, and then we know what this length is.
What is it?
Well, that length. We've slid it over. Well, this length is 3/4.
Interesting. So we got a triangle that's 1 high and 3/4 long.
So that means so that's what we did before. We've calculated it.
All right, well, why don't we do that calculation?
So
we have a
we
different
did-
triangle now.
So we have it's 1/4, 1/2 times 1/2, then plus 3/4.
Whoa, 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 whoa. What's the 1/2? What are the legs of my triangle here?
It's no. I thought that this one goes 1/2. Well, this time this is actually 1.
1.
1.
Okay.
So then plus 3. Well, 3/4. So it's going to be 9/16.
Okay.
So we can transform this 1 into 16/16.
Okay.
So then we get, it's the same, we get 25/16, which goes to be 5/4.
So what's 5/4 long?
It's the 25/16 is the hypotenuse squared.
Okay.
So the hypotenuse is 5/4.
All right, and what did we find last time?
We found it was 5/4 too. Cool.
Pretty cool. So we found a different triangle that had that length that was our hypotenuse.
Yeah.
And it was a little harder to see that one, right?
Yeah.
But it was hiding in there, so. Good job. Good work this morning.